knocking it out of the park. Mastering the phrase, deliver a knockout. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase that packs quite a punch. Deliver a knockout. This expression is rich in imagery and used in various contexts, not just in the world of sports. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, deliver a knockout, originates from the world of boxing. In boxing, a knockout is when a fighter wins by rendering their opponent unable to continue fighting, usually because they are unconscious or unable to get up. So, to deliver a knockout means to land a punch that decisively ends the fight. However, this phrase has transcended the boxing ring. In everyday English, it's used metaphorically to describe achieving a decisive victory or success in any field. When someone delivers a knockout, they do something so well that there's no question of their dominance or success. To fully grasp the versatility of deliver a knockout, let's look at examples across different scenarios. 1. In business, their new product delivered a knockout to the competition, dominating the market share within months. Here, it means the product was so successful that it outperformed all competitors. 2. In performances, the lead singer delivered a knockout performance that had the audience on their feet. This means the performance was exceptionally powerful and well received. 3. In personal achievements, she delivered a knockout presentation at the conference, impressing everyone. In this case, it signifies a very successful and impactful presentation. Now that you know what it means and how it can be used, let's talk about incorporating deliver a knockout into your own English. Use it to express admiration for someone's success or dominance in a field. It's perfect for informal conversations and can add flair to your language. Remember, it implies a level of success that is not just winning but winning decisively. Deliver a knockout is a dynamic phrase that can add color and power to your conversations. It's about celebrating victories, big impacts, and decisive successes. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using deliver a knockout in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be delivering knockout English in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.